more than welcome.
Yeah! You rude ass!
Come by, folks, you're going back!
I'll see you all on that.
Yes, sliders.
Even though you can see
Nice.
I'm sticking up for my country. You're a sellout selling us away to foreigners. Yeah, we're here for the air show. I'm not sure if this chap is. Are you guys okay? Folks, you okay? Hey?
Yes, we are.
Ah, good, good. According to Blackpool Council, you haven't.
Well, we have, so if you can remember.
No, I'm not going anywhere, love. Get the police. Oh, massive.
Tell me,
Baby, that's
Back towards the cenotaph, folks, where we were yesterday for the demonstration. Can't get in. Oh, we can. Oh, that's good. We can go in and watch from here. Yeah, we're here for the air show. I'm not sure if this chap is. Not sure. Not English. Maybe here. See if these ones will talk. Everybody here for the air show. Lovely to see Blackpool being used as it should. Okay, folks. Okay? No? Oh. Are you guys okay? Folks, you okay? Folks, are you okay?
yes, we are.
Ah, good, good. That's okay. Just make sure you're okay. Thought they weren't okay. Just checking you're okay, folks. You know how I am. I like to check everyone's alright when I'm doing these videos. But, yeah, they weren't very talkative, but they're okay. They have assured me they're okay. Folks, you okay? Good, lads. Licence, folks. Licence, you can't remove you from here. It's publicly accessible. Enjoy the air show here. Who's told you you're not allowed?
Tell you to come back.
This lady here.
Which lady? Give me 1 minute, I guarantee you they won't remove you. Are we not okay to stand there?
No, the police don't want it today. They want everybody out.
Do we get the police to come and tell us? Because it's a C1 licence. So
No, it's ours. We own it.
It's publicly accessible,
No,
a C1
we bought
licence.
it now.
Pardon?
We bought
Not
it.
according to Blackpool Council, you
Well,
haven't.
we have. So if you can remember.
No, I'm not going anywhere, love. Get the police to come and remove me.
Okay.
Same officer as yesterday. Damn straight you say, mate. They moved us yesterday. I'll go over and speak to the police myself. It's alright.
Removing some people from their
No, it's myself.
park. It's now no longer a public area and they've asked for some help.
Officer, they're lying.
Back to the local channel.
Officer, they're lying to you. It's a C1 licence. You can't. You solicit. Not you yourself. I was talking to you yesterday. You solicited a trespass yesterday, which I'm going to sue you all for. It's already with HSG solicitors. Okay. On there is a C1 licence. If you remove us again, I promise you I will make you arrest me, and then I'll sue you again. Okay. So I'm going back on there with my family.
It's fine.
And if you want to,
but obviously you may have the police attend.
I hope we do have police, and they can speak as long as they don't. Police can't solicitate a trespass. So I'll see you all on that. There we go, folks. So yeah, that's the police trying to solicitate a trespass. It won't work today because we ain't moving today. Not today. We moved yesterday, but we ain't moving today. That's fine.
That is good.
Yeah, thanks for that.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah. You rude ass.
That's not very nice. Hey, don't go there.
Tommy, come on.
So rude.
Come on, off you go. Off you go.
So rude.
So rude. You're a sellout. So
Yeah, you're so rude.
You're a sellout.
People have been working here 30 years. You expect them to lose their jobs?
You're a sellout. Country, you're a sellout selling us away to foreigners. How you doing, fellas? You okay? Are they looking after you? Are they looking at? We're just doing a little film on the hotel. Are they looking after you all? Yeah, good lads. Good lads. That's what we like to hear. From the people themselves, they are being looked after, folks. They're being looked after, and that's all that matters. That's all we want. We're not keen on them being here, But these hotels are fucking awful. Absolutely awful. You know, over the road, homeless veterans. Yeah, over here, 4 meals a day. Mobile phones, HMB vouchers. Here he is. Here he is. He's back. Go on, lad. How are you doing, mate? I thought I'd come and see you today. They're already trying to throw me off.
I know, mate. I seen you yesterday, mate, with the lefties, mate.
Yeah. Yeah,
don't care, mate.
the police are here again trying to throw us off.
Are you okay?
I can't give you a hug.
There you go.
Proper lad, this every fucking day.
See, when I left yesterday,
Yeah.
it's always last one to leave. A couple of minutes later, the police went in. I said, come out now, and 15 come out, smoking ciggies.
It's unreal.
That guy showed me the footage.
Well,
Yeah, it's unreal.
earlier, I missed it. 2 jet skis went past with flags on back, stopped the boat.
Plane, you can stay. Come by boat, you're going back. That simple. Why come by boat? Why are you back to hide? Are you middle-aged fighting men? Are you sleeping soldiers waiting?
That's exactly what they are.
What's all that about? Fuck it, I'm going in, mate.
I don't blame you. Proper lad there. Send them home. Proper lad. Proper Blackpool lad. Looking after the town like everyone else should be, really. There's Tubby Tismond.
Tubby Tismond.
That's her name, yeah. Tubby. She reported me to the police for being here.
There's Tubby Tismond.
Proper guy. Absolutely stinks. Thing is really what Pammy's come for, and I'm about to spin you around. Ask the lady first. Is it alright to have a bit? Yeah. That's quite cool. Take you guys back round here whilst Pammy's fussing. Boogieing away. Good dribble. Yeah, good dribble. Give him a bit, Ella. This is Ella. There we go. There we go. Oh, beautiful, aren't they, eh? Look. The Hoops pistols. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. It's stunning. And we'll just go around here and have a look at the rest. There's another one over here, yeah. different folks rather than demonstrations. Bit of happiness, fun, everyone having a boogie. Marvellous. Hello, you. Looks Ella. Tammy's in her element here. You fed your sausage roll to the other one.
Oh, yeah. I missed out, man.
You don't want a sausage roll, you want steak.
Sorry, I had sausages this morning off people at breakfast, didn't you? Well, you recognise that background, don't you?
Yeah, I was just...
Yeah.
All dogs like that. You can be fast asleep, don't go nothing. As soon as a crisp packet or anything round.
They're absolutely stunning, aren't they?
Thank you very much.
I've got no change. Have you got any change? I've got nothing. There's loads, Pammy, they're everywhere. You can if you want. You need to talk to them. What, on no filter? Yeah. Yeah. What's up?
There's plenty to pick from.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Back over. Right, folks, back to the other one we go now. Like I said, it's a bit of something different, this. Protest yesterday, going and seeing the punks today. Oh, there's two there now. There we go. Oh, there's two of them matching. Two sisters, absolutely stunning.
Sit down,
Hello, beautiful. Two sisters. Yeah, the sisters, yeah. Beautiful, aren't you, hey? They're beautiful. Stunning. Yeah, we're fine. Hammy. Sorry. No, go on, you alright, love? You're fine. Yeah, you're fine. Hammy. Trying to grab hold of Hammy. Look, this one's got a thing on. Look. Right, and we have to get this one that Pammy's going over to. How stunning. I'm not talking about the lady, folks, just before you think that. I do have my Pammy here, she's a stunning one. This one is beautiful. Hello.
No, you're very welcome.
Have we run out of money?
We're trying to get out one.
Got any more money? We're going to have to give them all one.
Give me.
Hello, beautiful.
I've got three.
Definitely something different.
Every dog.
She's listening. I'll be skint by the time we've gone round, everyone. There's more.
I need them.
Are they hard work? Like to keep on top of fur and everything?
Yes.
Yeah.
The grooming.
Yeah.
Great with kids.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
They do molt every day.
I believe it, yeah.
But as long as you just
Yeah.
each day, do you want to get a picture of the family?
If you could, that'd be great. I've got it on video, like, but yeah, if you could. I mean, you got your phone so you can take a picture of everybody.
Yeah? I'll take the picture.
The gentleman will do it for us. Come on, Ella. Ella, come and sit next to the dog. Sit down next to the dog. I'm just going to get a picture done, folks. So I'm just here with this chap, folks, and he's just explained to me that the council are making it hard for these beautiful things to come. Yeah, you. It's absolutely stunning. But you know, just let me just show you around, folks, what's going on. There's absolutely zero trouble here. And this is Blackpool, bear in mind, where there's a lot of trouble. Look, absolutely no trouble at all, and yet they're making it awkward for these people to come back, and woofs. Absolute nonsense. Absolute nonsense. So yeah, if we do see anything, folks, we know what to do. If there's ever any petitions for these guys to come back, we know to sign them. Cheers, folks. Yeah, so I've got Tommy here now. He was just saying, shows a nice side of Blackpool, and it does, folks. You know, there's absolutely zero trouble. And yeah, Blackpool Council are trying to ban them coming, which is absolutely moronic, because everywhere you see, there's absolutely zero trouble. None at all. Beautiful dogs, cost me an absolute fortune in charity buckets. Yeah, nothing else. We've got Ella down here that's just sat herself down on the floor we want. So yeah, said something a bit different for Blackpool, this is.